In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cell format in Excel. If your spreadsheet has turned into a patchwork of fonts, colors, borders, or mismatched number styles, this quick cleanup will get everything back to a clean, consistent look without touching your actual data or formulas. Start by selecting exactly what you want to clean up. Click and drag to highlight a range, or click the first cell. Hold Shift, and click the last cell in the range to select everything in between. If all your data is in one continuous block, pressing Ctrl+A once inside that block selects it instantly. Need to reset the whole sheet? Click the little triangle at the top left corner where the row and column headers meet to select every cell. Taking a second to choose the right area matters, because only the highlighted cells will be affected. With your selection ready, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Look toward the right side for the Clear button. It looks like a small eraser. This is where Excel groups different clearing options, so you can remove just what you intend, whether that's content, comments, or formatting. Open that Clear menu and choose Clear Formats. This is the safe, formatting-only option. It strips away things like custom fonts, bold or italics, fills and borders, alignment tweaks, and number formats, and returns cells to the default style, usually the standard font, general number format, and no fill or borders. Your values and formulas remain exactly as they were. Be careful not to click Clear All, which removes everything, including your data. If you do click the wrong option by accident, no worries. Press Ctrl+Z to undo immediately. After clearing formats, take a quick look at your sheet. Numbers might switch back to the general format, so dates or currency may appear differently than before. If needed, you can reapply a number format from the Number group on the Home tab, but the key win is that all the old styling is gone, giving you a clean slate. A couple of final tips. If only part of your selection changes, double-check that you highlighted the correct cells. If you're working with large sheets, consider clearing formats in sections so you can review as you go. And once you're happy with the result, save your file to lock in the cleanup. That's it. Highlight your data, use the Clear button on the Home tab, and pick Clear Formats. It's a fast way to reset styling and make your spreadsheet easier to read and work with. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning in Excel.